If your TV suddenly looks too red or too blue, suddenly we start randomly changing settings. Instead, the first step is troubleshooting. Figure out whether the issue is coming from your picture settings, an HDMI device, or the TV hardware itself. Let's start with the simplest fix. Open picture settings and locate color temperature. If the screen looks too blue, switch it from cool to normal or warm. If it looks too red, try normal first, and then cool if that doesn't help. Now, give it a few seconds and pay close attention to skin tones and white areas. These are usually the clearest indicators of color balance. If they look accurate again, then the issue was simply a calibration problem in your picture settings. Next, newer smart TVs, especially some LG models, have our reduce blue light setting that you can turn on or off if the picture looks too blue. If that doesn't resolve it, the next step is to reset only the picture settings. This is especially useful if someone accidentally adjusted the tint, white balance, or advanced red and blue controls. In other words, you don't need to manually fix every individual setting. A picture reset automatically restores everything to its default configuration. Still seeing the same tint? At this point, you need to isolate where exactly the problem is occurring. Go to the TV's home screen, then open a built-in app like YouTube or Netflix. After that, switch to another connected HDMI device. If the TV's menu and native apps look normal, but external devices like your Fire Stick, game console, cable box, or PC appear too red or blue, that strongly suggests the TV itself isn't the root cause. In that case, try a different HDMI cable, use another HDMI port, or simply restart the connected device. It's also worth remembering that HDR and Dolby Vision often use their own separate picture settings. So, if the color issue only appears during certain movies or shows, open picture settings while that specific content is playing and check the color temperature there directly. Now, here's the critical part. If the entire screen, including the TV's own menu and every app, still shows a strong blue tint even after resetting the picture settings, you're likely dealing with an underlying hardware issue. On many LED TVs, a blue tint that gradually worsens over time is typically caused by aging or degraded LED backlights. Adjusting the color settings might temporarily mask the symptom, but it won't actually fix the root problem. Similarly, if only one side of the screen shows red or blue discoloration, especially alongside lines or visual distortion, that's often a sign of a more serious display or panel-related issue. So, before spending money on repairs, make sure to work through the easy fixes first. And if nothing changes after these steps, it's probably time to look beyond software settings and consider a hardware repair. That way, you avoid wasting hours fine-tuning colors when the real issue is happening inside the TV itself.